It is true we can get energy for muscle contraction, for fat and carbohydrates, and it is also true that carbohydrate stores are more limited than the fat stores. When we are talking about fats, we are talking about the percentage of body weight, whereas when we are talking about carbohydrates, we are only talking about a few hundred grams that we have stored in our bodies. However, using fats, we are limited to aerobic energy production. This means that oxygen needs to be present, and we cannot do anything with fats without oxygen. Whereas on the other hand, when we have carbohydrates, we can actually produce energy anaerobically. This means that in the absence of oxygen. So for example, during swimming, you can swim without taking a breath for a few seconds, just because we can produce the energy anaerobically. On the other hand, for utilizing fat, oxygen needs to be required at all times. And this kind of shows that we need carbohydrates for performing at really high intensities, or for example, when we are exercising at the intensity that is higher than a VO2 max intensity, so the maximal oxygen uptake is already achieved, and we can only get more energy by producing energy anaerobically. And this is kind of the main point of why carbohydrates are so important for athletes' diet.